Today we'll show you how to replace the top speaker of the iPhone SE 3rd generation. So let's get started. First, we'll remove the screws located next to the charging port. Next, we'll use a display opening tool to carefully lift and open the display. Now we'll remove the screws located on top of the logic board. We'll remove the screws that hold the metal shields on the top side. Next, we'll remove the metal shield covering the top speaker. Then we'll take out the top speaker. Next, we'll take the new ear speaker out of the packet and place it properly in its position. Now we'll secure the metal shield back in place using its screws. Now we'll connect the display connector and also place the metal shield over the display connector. After securing all the screws, we'll power on the phone and perform a sound test. Yes, perfect. Thank you.